Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to make kind of a different video than what I've made before, but I wanted to show you all the cards that I made with the core collections that came out in July. So I've done a video kind of like this where I show you all the cards that I've made from the club memberships that I have, but this is the core collection. So if you're not familiar with what that is, each month Spellbinders releases different core collections on their website, and they're released on the 14th of the month, and they are very versatile. There's stamps, there's dies, there's glimmer plates, stitching dies, stamps. I think I said stamps twice. My apologies, but either way, here is what I made, and look at it. So here, with this one, I used the Glimmer Arch, and that was part of the Glimmer Essentials collection. And I also pulled in this high stitched die that is from June's core collection. And I did use this little border die that was part of the monthly subscription for June. This one is from the Parcel and Post collection, and this is the heart decorations part of the Parcel and Post. So I wanted to make something without the mailbox just in case other people did not get the mailbox as well. Now these two are pretty similar, and they were on one video that I made. This is using the blooming tree and the stitched argyle, diamond argyle. So that's the background, and then the blooming tree is on the front. And the blooming tree was a glimmer plate, so you can see that it does have a shine to it. And I basically made the same card, but just using different colors, but a very similar design. I love stitching, so that was neat to make. And this is also with the blooming tree. And the blooming tree, by the way, is from the Glimmer Greetings collection. So this is just another take on it. Then I pulled in really pretty diamond argyle again and made these two backgrounds. And this one is the Parcel and Post All Occasion glimmer plate, so that's not really Christmassy. And it says, you know, birthday, so definitely not Christmas. And then this one was the Christmas Mailbox Greetings, which was part of this glimmer plate. So those are that. And then this was my last one. This was probably my favorite just because I really love how the lemons pop on the blue, and I like the brightness of the leaves. And this item, this glimmer plate that I used here, was part of the All Occasion Mailbox Greeting. So that's the same set as this birthday one. And then the lemons came out earlier this year in 2022, and they're called Lemon Zest. So if you're interested in seeing how I made any of these cards, I'll link them down below, and if you don't want to look through links, that's fine. They're all on my channel, and I have the pictures of the cards posted on the video little like teaser, I guess, the cover of the video, so you should be able to find them pretty easily on my channel as well. So here's a look at all of them, and I'm really looking forward to showing you what I made for July's release. Not July, I'm sorry, August. My months are a little mixed up. August release, because there's tons of things for Christmas and Halloween, and just some really neat dies and stamps and glimmer, and I'm looking forward to it. And there's going to be quite a few videos on my channel, so if you're interested, subscribe and stick around and enjoy. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.